everybody. It's Parker and Crystal, and we are doing an unboxing today of our first Atlas crate. This is the box it comes in, and the first one is, which this is probably reversed, it's for the world. This is from Kiwi Crate, and I bought this myself. I used a coupon code to get 50% off. So what do you see first, Parker?
Hello.
Can you hold it up for the camera?
Languages? Where's Russia? Is there communist language?
What do you think that is?
A weird ball.
What does the ball make when you put it together?
A actual globe-looking thing.
That's right. This is the envelope that came in it, and it says hello, and then it has hello in different languages. Can you hold the ball up for everybody to see?
Let me make it. This is good for like keeping stuff in a ball.
What do you think we're going to do with
that? Decorate it.
That's a good idea.
It looks like a weird ball.
So inside the envelope, there are cards. Here is a story and some facts about each continent. So there's Africa, Antarctica, South America, Australia, Asia, and North America. Do you know which continent we live on?
North America.
That's right. Good job. Here is the instructions for make your own spinning globe. So that's what we'll use, Parker. And do you want to get some more stuff out of the box? That's just packaging. So hold up to the camera what else you find. What does that look like? Supplies?
Yes.
This is...
And there's Russia now.
Yeah, you see Russia. That's a big what? What is that?
That's a big area.
What is this whole thing though? What's that called?
Globe. A map.
A map. Good job.
Let me hold this.
Okay. This is actually...
Is there Ohio?
A kit to make a passport for each country that you visit. Our next box will be for a country, and we will use that box to add supplements and study for homeschool, for geography. Parker's in 3rd grade. He's looking at the map.
Trying to find Ohio.
Ohio? Well, Ohio is a state, but I'll show you where on the United States it is. Here is the United States. Let's hold it like this. Here's the United States, and Ohio is about right here. It's about right here. And I used to live in a state next to Ohio. And why do you want to look and see where Ohio is? I think I know.
Because my friend lives there.
That's right. Your friend that you met on your game, right?
Yeah.
Parent supervised game. He has a friend that he chats with who lives in Ohio. So, here's the instructions for the globe. It has fits together like this. And Parker, can you hold up the stickers to show the shape of the countries? I mean, the shape of the continents. So those are the foam sticky shapes, or felt sticky shapes. And here are some wooden parts that help make it. So we are going to work on this, and we will check back in with you. is his completed globe. You did a good job, buddy. And it also comes with a little kit to make sort of like a passport. And we will work on that in the next video because his next box, he will actually get his first page to put in here. Alright, so what do you think? Did you like that?
Yes.
What did you learn? Can you name one thing?
Well,
The globe. You learned about the globe. That's good. Did you learn where Ohio is?
where?
Ohio is about right here. And we are here.
Okay, that would be
About right there. Yep. Alright. Bye, guys. You want to say bye?